Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to TCS digital exam for the 2022 batch, and that is on campus hiring from TCS. A mail is sent by TCS team to candidates, that is for the IRC check details of TCS digital hiring exam. That is called the infra readiness check. What do you mean by infra readiness check and the DRC check and all the other check that are that are very important before giving the actual exam? So all the points that I was cleared and discussed with all of you in today's video. So let's start the video. Is the exam on 4 August or just is a normal check? TCS digital exam mail update and clear all your doubts in this video. Okay, so as you can see that TCS team just sended the infra readiness check details of TCS digital hiring exam on 4 August 2021. Okay, so there is a very important point that this is just a infra readiness check. Okay, what do you mean by IRC? Means infra readiness check, and DRC dry run check. Okay, so it are the some checks, so they are useful for checking your system compatibility, that your browser is working properly or not, your internet connection is stable or not, you will give the exam properly or not. And I talked to so many candidates, so they say that the TCS exam is in between like 7th or 8th August, but not on the 4th August. This is reference to infra readiness check exam. Okay, this is just a system compatibility check, not the actual TCS digital hiring exam. It's only TCS, it's only infra readiness check, that is a check for your system compatibility. As you can see that, please find the below link for infra readiness check, and registration start 1 hour before the exam timing. Okay, so the registration means there are the two shift. Okay, you can just give the exam in one of the shift. Okay, please find the below the link of infra readiness check of TCS digital hiring exam, so you can just go to link and buy the login ID and password. Okay, you can just log in that, and you have to register 1 hour before the exam timing for the infra readiness check. Okay, there is a very one important point, that infra readiness check is just for system compatibility. Okay, not like the actual exam, because they not mention that it is the actual exam of TCS digital hiring exam. It's just a infra readiness check, and TCS team will continuously sending the infra readiness check and dry run check mail to candidates for the TCS digital hiring exam. So the system specific requirements is a working webcam launcher for respective operating system that you can download during IRC. Okay, infra readiness check launcher application. So you have to complete the following step, and your infra readiness check is complete. You have to just check all the platform, that how test was conducted on that platform, what are the number of questions they ask. It is just for the system compatibility and platform. Okay, so you understand the complete platform in the IRC and DRC check. You can just go to link or copy paste link in the browser, start the assessment, note the unique key that is generated. You have to just download the launcher that is applicable to your OS and extract unzip the downloaded file. Okay, so they will just give you the all the other downloaded file, and you have to just download the launcher and open the launcher and input the unique key. Okay, select your correct browser. Okay, note is, as you can see that based on the feasibility, the launcher file can kept in local shared path, and you can make use of the same instead of downloading for faster access. You must be in front of PC laptop for the whole duration of exam. Break bio are not during, so please ensure you are present for the whole duration of exam without any disrupt. Okay, so there is a very important point, that also please ensure that you have a laptop with camera and microphone, good internet connection and backup connection like Wi-Fi or hotspot. Wish you all the best. So this is just a infra readiness check, not the actual exam. I think because I talked to so many candidates, they say that exam is on 7th or maybe on the 8th August, but this is the IRC check, infra readiness check details of TCS digital hiring exam, not for the other. And after that there is a another one one check that is called dry run check, DRC check. So you have to complete the following checks before giving the actual exam. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you find good content, please like and share the video. If you have another doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.